Hi, I'm Billy, co-founder of CynefinPamoja, and I'm here to tell you about some incredible events that we have over the winter period. Starting with our intergenerational employability and careers event on Saturday the 13th of December from 3 p.m. till 7 p.m. at Pill Millennium Center. Great opportunity to network and an amazing chance to get some CV building tips and also listen to business owners, retired business owners, career professionals, as well as employers. We also have winter warm up sessions, which are taking place on the first Saturday and the third Saturday of December. These take place from 12 p.m. until 2 p.m. Another great opportunity to socialize, particularly over the winter months, which can be very lonely. And you'll also receive hot meals as well as support for signposting if you need it and if you're vulnerable. So look forward to seeing you at both of our events. Have a happy holidays and see you all soon. Bye.